Hello everyone, this is Karen. It is the 30th of April 2019. I'm a little tired. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning and not that I can't sleep, but I've been itching to get to this project. For the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I've been really wanting to know how to do footless sandals for babies. Figure it'd be nice to just get some stuff so I can make some footless sandals for my babies. And so far the venture has not been too expensive, but yeah. And I hope that I have my little Maggie's measurements right, because if I did the whole thing and I messed up the measurements, that would stink. So I went on eBay and I got 3 yards for almost $5, free shipping, of this pale pink stretchy cord. She shorted me about 6 inches, what I'm not very happy about, but because I knew it did not look like 3 yards. But that just means I probably won't order from that person again unless they can make it up to me in my next order. So I have that ribbon. I already cut 2 little ribbons for the footless sandals. I went to Michael's, couldn't find anything. I went to AC Moore, couldn't find anything. Finally ended up at Joann Fabrics, and I did find a few things, but the money that they cost was pretty expensive for me, for my budget. So I found these cute little flowers. It's a 4-pack, which means 2 of them are going to go to 1 pair of footless sandals. They're very lavender, cute with the little stones in the middle. Did not get these from China. Got them from Joann's. And I saw these. They were just so cute. Looked like kind of like a little bouquet of roses. Oh, I'll take them out of the package in a minute so you can see them. And so I am just been hot on the pursuit of trying to make footless sandals, trying to figure out, sorry, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, my neck's a little stiff, need some rest. But anyway, I'm going to try it for the first time. And this, I guess, is DIY, do it yourself. I think pretty much, unless everything in history that you could never buy in a store is DIY. So it's funny how like different generations come out with new names for stuff that have already been happening for pretty much like centuries. So I'm gonna bring the camera on down. I just put like a little white piece of computer paper under here so you can see things a little bit more clearly. There are my pretty flowers. Oh, that just came undone. So I know this is stupid, but it took me the longest time to figure out how to do a figure 8. But what I did is I had a black pen and I folded this over, and that's the halfway mark. So I'm just going to go one way with this. And before I went the same way with this, which didn't look so good. So let's make it travel back this way. And there we have our little figure 8. So hopefully this will fit on my babies. And if it fits on my babies, then I will cut the same length. Also it's going to stretch. So if it stretches a little bit, that's what it's what it's supposed to do. So let me just take this off right here. A little bit of hot glue down. Now this is my first one ever made, so don't ridicule me on how it looks. I'm already a little defensive about that. Okay, there's There's my other second little one right there. What I love about hot glue is it goes a long, long, long while. It's showing out a little bit through the front, but that's okay. Hopefully the flower will cover it. And I saw on YouTube something about how somebody kind of covers the middle with a little felt pad, a little felt circle, so I think I'm going to do that as well. Just want to lift up the front and make sure that it's not showing. And if it is, maybe I'll just get a smaller one or cut this down a little bit. I think once you figure out how to make them, it's pretty simple. It's just really hard to find all the things to it for a good price and without crazy shipping. Now, if it looks jacked up, I apologize. It's I'm troubleshooting this, I guess, as we go. Everybody starts somewhere. Either that or let me just put that on paper so that it would. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's so cute. It's a little small, but it's really, really cute. Now, I'm not sure if the smaller side, which there shouldn't really be, is going to go in the back or in the front. So I might just wait. Right now, I'm going to go over to my little Maggie girl who's sitting right on the bed over there and just briefly put this on her to see how it fits before I go any further. Oh. Aw, that's so cute. Aw. That is really, really, really cute. I'm not sure if the little stickies on here are supposed to come with it or not, but oh my gosh, those are so cute. Yes. Oh my gosh, so cute. Next time I'm going to try to peel this part off with it because it seems like if it doesn't come off with it, then the little bow in the back starts to kind of separate. So we don't want that. Next time I'll just leave them on the sheet. Lesson learned, lesson learned. Oh my goodness, these are too cute. They're a little big, but they're for my Ariana toddler, so. Just a little bit more. Hopefully putting everything in the right place. Aww. And if anybody would like for me to make you some Footless Sandals, just contact me and let me know. These are just my first ones, so I'll see if they hold up. I'm pretty sure they will. What I might do at the end of this is just take a little bit of needle and thread and come through the middle and like kind of grab a little bit of that ribbon underneath. If I can do that, and that way it ensures that it's gonna stay right in place. Oh, they look so sweet! Yay! Yay, me! So my Charlotte has footed pajamas on right now, so I couldn't put those on her, but I put them on Maggie, and I took a picture, and they'll show up after this, but they're big. I made them a little bit too big, but they're going to be great for my toddler. For my smaller babies, I might do about 7 inches long for little Elizabeth because she has very teeny tiny feet. And I might do about 8 to 9 inches for Maggie. So, yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to go out and get more stuff. I can't wait because I want to just, I just can't wait to make some more tomorrow. I would love to sit here and play all night, but I actually have to get somewhere tomorrow. So, and it's about 3:30. So I will let you know. And that's pretty much all the items I have are just these flowers, these 2 flowers left, and this little ribbon. I have to get more supplies, and when I do, you want some little footless sandals for the summer, let me know. That's it. Love y'all. Enjoy the pictures at the end, or a picture at the end, and remind you that they are a little bit bigger for Maggie, so they're not going to look that way when they're taut and tight on your baby's feet. Your reborn's feet, they're going to look a lot better. So that's it. Bye, guys.